Hi, Troy Dunn here. As the national spokesperson for AutoSavvy, I frequently get asked the same question over and over. Hey Troy, what exactly is a branded title vehicle? And I used to go through the whole explanation about how it's a vehicle that has had an insurance incident for things like flood, or hail, or collision, or theft, etc. But I've come to realize something. That's not really what most people want to know. What they want to know is, what does a branded title car, truck, van, or SUV look like after the AutoSavvy team repairs, reconditions, and then inspects that vehicle? And to those people, I simply say, check this out. Yep, that is why tens of thousands of people love AutoSavvy. AutoSavvy, your source for savings.